National Flag of Canada Day, also known as National Flag of Canada Day, is a national holiday celebrated annually on February 15. The holiday was officially established in 1996 to mark the adoption of the current Canadian flag, which features a red background with a white maple leaf in the center. The adoption of the current flag was a long and contentious process, and its design was the result of much debate and compromise. The maple leaf has long been a symbol of Canada, and the red and white colors have been associated with the country for over a century. National Flag of Canada Day is a day for Canadians to celebrate their country, its history, and its symbols. The flag is an important symbol of unity and national pride, and it represents the values and ideals that make Canada the unique and diverse country that it is. On National Flag of Canada Day, people across the country raise the flag at public buildings, schools, and homes. The day is marked by patriotic events, such as flag-raising ceremonies, parades, and community gatherings. It is a day to celebrate the diversity and strength of the Canadian people and the country they call home. In conclusion, National Flag of Canada Day is a day of national pride, unity, and celebration. It is a time for Canadians to come together to reflect on their country's history, heritage, and values, and to reaffirm their commitment to building a better future for all.